With the Phoenix HD 3-wheel version, you get great maneuverability in tight spaces with an amazing 43-inch turning radius. And when the battery gauge shows the need for recharging, it's simple from either the port on the control panel or the battery pack. Along with great performance, the Phoenix HD 3-wheel offers excellent comfort. The upholstered stadium-style seat can swivel 180 degrees and also has 3 height selections to suit users of nearly any height. The padded armrests are contoured for comfort and flip up for convenient boarding and exiting of the scooter, and the armrest width can be adjusted to best fit the user. Plus, the tiller's angle is adjustable to position the controls in the most comfortable driving position. The Phoenix HD 3-wheel is not only safe, it's stylish with interchangeable panels in red and blue allowing you to customize for your style and attractive two-tone seat upholstery. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.